I don't know, guys. What do you think?
I feel like there's a lot we're missing.
There is, but it's enough to go on for now.
What about criminals? Don't we kind of need more than 3 if we want to call this thing an empire?
Let's go. I'll drive. Where is this church?
Up on 3rd.
Oh, that place.
Guys, look at these pictures. The architectural details look amazing.
Let me see. Nina, this place is in ruins.
I said it was a fixer-upper.
There's a fine line between fixer-upper and money pit.
Relax. The listing says it's being restored by a developer, John Bland.
John Bland, the real estate king of Santa Elisa?
Is he the one on all those billboards? Why does a man that into self-promotion stick with a name like Bland?
Bland is nobody. It'll work out.
Assuming the restorations preserve the original facade.
You're not gonna worry about preservation when I put in my state-of-the-art kitchen, are you?
We can discuss that later. A lot of heavy equipment for a renovation.
Looks more like a demolition crew.
He's gonna restore this place in the condos.
Not if we do something about it. Get out! Who wants to demo a demo crew? No one's touching that church. And that's how it's done. Cheerio. I've always wanted to drive one of these. I'll just move this for you. Can't insure against me. Tell your boss to fuck off.
demolition crew.
Attention! This property is protected by Marshall Defense Industries. Park the bulldozer and come out with your hands up!
What the fuck are these Marshall rent-a-cops doing here?
Ah, bollocks. Bland must contract with them for security.
Oh, fun.
Hang tight. I'll take care of them.
Surrender in the name of Marshall!
Excellent.
That's the last of them.
Damn. Sounds like the drivetrain overheated. Guess it wasn't designed with you in mind.
Marshall's down. But they'll be back as long as Bland owns the deed to the property.
Then let's get into cell.
After this? Not likely.
It'll shake him down and make him hand it over. The idols used to do stuff like that all the time.
Good show. Kev, you're with me.
Where's Bland even at?
Let's ring the number on all those billboards and find out.
Bland here. One sec. Mr. Mayor, been an honor talking to you.
Sounds like he's at City Hall.
All right, who's this?
Mr. Bland, I'm calling to take that old mission church off your hands.
Wait, are you the asshole who just wrecked my demolition site? Listen, fucknut, you set foot on one of my properties again, I'll make sure you can't buy so much as a tool shed in this town.
Well, that was uncalled for.
Indeed. Let's take that arse for a little ride.
Hey, is that him in that car?
Same dickish face as the billboards. Sorry, mate. Out you get.
Leave me alone.
Hello, mate. Me again. I trust you'll make this easy and give me the deed to the church.
You? Go fuck yourself.
Bad answer, John. I hope you don't get car sick.
Let's show this shitbag a little Santo Eliso drift.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Whoa, 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 whoa! Jesus! Stop the fucking car! Crazy?
Yeah, John, we are. Now give us the deed.
No way!
Very well. I see we'll have to get cheeky.
Taking me!
I told you, to get cheeky in traffic.
This is how you do business?
That's right, man. We're local.
Just give us the deed.
No!
Oh, then we're not through. Final offer, John. You're not leaving here unless we get what we want.
Think you can handle a little airtime?
I'm gonna be sick! Holy fuck! Fine, take the deed. Take my whole damn briefcase. Just leave me alone.
Pleasure doing business with you. This car is also ours now too, so get the fuck out. That worked great. We got the deed and a briefcase.
Yeah. Plus we blew up some shit, did some sick drifts, and stole the church.
Ah, all in a day's work. Ready to head home?
Home? I like the sound of that. Ooh, I'm gonna post about it. Yada yada da, yada yada. Hashtag church, hashtag digs this, hashtag and post it. Oh look, I already got a like.
Seriously? How many followers do you have there?
DJ Kev has his fans.
Marshall backed up. You get the deed?
Yep, we got the dude's whole briefcase.
Let's get inside. You got the keys?
Keys? No, just the briefcase.
No worries. I expect I can get in through a window or something and open it up.
Why don't we just break down a door?
Not my door.
Whoa, calm down, Dad.
Do you know how much a door costs? We own this place. We have to pay for that shit.
Nina was right. This place is brilliant.
Hey, check it out! Cool graveyard!
Yeah.
Hang on, I'm getting a call. Oh, shit. You better hear this.
Hi, Kevy. We saw your post. Congrats on the new digs. We adore your takedown of that gentrifying dig.
Who is that?
The collective.
The idols want to throw you a housewarming party.
Fuck. Their parties get violent.
No thanks.
I wasn't asking. Duh. See you soon, Kevin.
I'll get the door. Sit tight. Company's coming.
Have you seen what's in this briefcase?
Not now, Eli. Get inside.
And maybe revisit your stance on guns?
Stop what you're doing and come here!
Yeah! How's the homecoming, Kevin?
Splendid.
I could use some backup in the graveyard.
I'm coming, Kev. Kev doesn't want you. Do get over it.
Stay safe! Join the boss.
Bad does Get off our lawn!
Idols are in the church. Help!
I've got you, Eli! And there we are.
Well,
Watch out! Here it comes! Have a load of this flash cracker.
Hell of a housewarming. I suppose all that's left to do is check out the new digs.
yeah, okay. Dead bodies notwithstanding, this place is pretty great.